Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create graph paper in Microsoft Excel like this. So firstly click on insert, then shape. Here select this rectangle shape. Now draw your shape. The shape outline, select no outline. Now right click on it and click on size and properties. So here type your desired size like 0.4, in height and 0.4 width. So make both same, and in the properties select don't move or size with cells. Now drag and drop in this first cells. Select these all cells. So select this left side top corner. Now move column size as this shape. Now in this borders select all borders. Now zoom out. So we can see now we have this graph paper in Excel. So this is the method you can create graph paper in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.